How to cut Instagram story video. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can cut Instagram story video. So in order to cut Instagram story video, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So now then, to begin with, open up or log in into your Instagram application. So unfortunately there's no way you can cut video into your Instagram story, so you'll have to use a video editing application. Only then you'll be able to cut the video. Just go ahead and tap the your story button and select one of the longest video. Let me go with this one. So when you actually upload it, just tap on your story and automatically it's going to be cut to short. That is, it's going to be added section after this section, and accordingly all of the story will be added, but not in one shot. It's going to be trimmed automatically to a certain proportion, and that's basically how you can cut Instagram story video. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.